It's another great day. So we're at the welding shop, and this is Steve. We're making circles today. The circles look like this. You can have a look at this one, and here's Steve on the circle machine. He goes real slow and circles it around. Just keeps going and going. Takes a while. It's a slow process. They go around like that, and this is how we make circles to make our stands with. So as you can see, we've got our first loop done. Now we're heading into our second loop. Yeah, so we're almost done this one here. This was a 12-foot length of, it's about 1/4 inch steel. And we're almost done our first loop here. So now we have a coil, and it's completely done. We set the coils over here. These are the done coils. Then we cut them with a bolt cutter. There's the bolt cutter there. Then we get what we have is a ready to go loop. It looks like that, right? Now they go on. They're welded together. We weld the end together, if you can see that there, like that. Then when they're done, they're put on, and they're made into, it's almost like a hat, like this. Here's a spare one. Like that, and the loop goes over it. Like that. Now it's welded on, and it looks like that. So we do this, and our finished product looks like this. This is our finished product. These here are plant holders, and they get a pot in the top, and that's what they look like. And this is what we're doing today. There's some more that we made. And we'll go back around, and here's Steve making the next loop.